Hi, and welcome to Case with Ace. I'm Agyenim-Boateng, and I'll be taking you through the presentation. Starting off, we'll begin with the case study and operations detailing the background, reason and functionalities, conceptual and logical design, as well as the SQL implementation for the database management system. Case study and operations. Our company. Case with Ace began as an idea resulting from friends having a terrible night out, and through that anguish, they decided to head to a convenience store for a drink. As time went by, they pondered on their mishappenings and decided to plan for an upcoming event. Knowing this, an idea struck them as of the event turning out to be as bad as their current night, which even caused them more pain and disappointment. Suddenly, one of them suggested an idea detailing with night outs like these where people can see pubs within their localities, those that are open and closed, and also being able to reserve pubs for various occasions. Leaping around in excitement, the pub relational database management system was born, being also a pub data bank system holding all existing pubs and their details based on regions using a reservation and recommendation feature. With the aim of the project being to serve as a recommendation and reservation system for all known pubs, as well as helping individuals finding such entertaining sites for nights. Functionalities. For the functionalities, it keeps track of all visited pubs and available pubs, as well as keeping track of payments made at various pubs. It also allows users to get information on current reservation at pubs, recommends pubs based on ratings made, and tracking which employee attended which table. The conceptual design of the database. The entities. There are 5 strong and 14 weak, being pub, customer, table, employee, service, reviews and games, all the way down to employee role, part-time, meals, and contract. For the EER diagram, we have the relationships and multiplicities, where pub has reservations, a, a table, a menu, and a review. A table has a table type. An employee handles table and has a role and also works at a pub. Reservation has a table. A menu provides a service. A service has a pub customer payment and it's a pub customer service. Payment belonging to a pub customer payment. Pub customer makes reservation, goes to a pub and requests for a pub customer service as well as making a pub customer payment. A pub customer also leaves a review. A review has a customer and a customer is a pub customer. For our enterprise use, we have a pub has 0, 1 or more reservation. A reservation is held by exactly one pub. A pub has 1 or more menus. A menu is held by exactly one pub. A reservation reserves 1 or more pub tables. A pub table is reserved by exactly one reservation. An employee handles 0, 1 or more pub tables. The pub table is held by exactly one employee. An employee works at exactly one pub. A pub has 1 or more employees. A menu provides 1 or more services. A service is provided by exactly one menu. A pub customer leaves 0, 1 or more reviews. A review is left by exactly one pub customer. A review has 0, 1 or more customers. A customer has exactly one review. A customer is a pub customer. A pub customer is 1 or more customers. A service has 1 or more pub customer payment. A pub customer payment has exactly one service. A payment belongs to 1 or more pub customer payment. A pub customer payment has exactly one payment. A service is 1 or more pub customer service. A pub customer service is exactly one service. And finally, a pub customer requests for 1 or more pub customer service. A pub customer service is requested by exactly one pub customer. With specialization generalization, a full-time employee is an employee, a part-time employee is an employee, a contract employee is an employee, and meals and games being a service. Moving on to assumptions, every pub is managed by one employee. Every user has their own ID and they are all authenticated and logged in. Every pub must at least have more than one table, as well as working for more than 70 hours a week, which is a real-time description for a pub. And every employee works at a pub in their locality. With the logical design, we have uh, with the logical design, we have the table where we have the creating of the schema and the using of the schema. We also have the dropping of the schema if exists case with this, which allows multiple runs. We have the table, pub, we have the ID, we have the name, and we also have the pub description with VACA 500 because in describing a pub, we want to make it as detailed and as simple as possible. So when users are to read the descriptions of such pubs, they will be able to tell whether it's in line with their interest or not. Also setting the Boolean value for open and close to default one, where one is for open and zero is for close. We have customer table. We also have the index customer name from customer, where we use the first name and last name. We have the create table pub customer. We have the reservations. We're also having special requests with the defaults being none because with reservations, it's not everybody that would want to have something specially requested to them. We also have the employee role and the employee, the part-time, full-time, with the hourly rate being a default of zero and bonus being a default of zero, meaning that it's the beginning set of things. So until you're employed and as time goes on, we'll use it to determine if you're a part-timer, then we'll determine your hourly rate. That's if you deserve it. And also made for the full-time, for contract, table type, pub table, menu, service, meal, game, pub customer service, pub customer payments, review. Anyway, today inserting of the values from pub to customers to pub customer, a reservation, employee role, all the way down to the queries where we have the get information on current reservation, keep track of which employee attended which table, keep track of available pubs, keep track of visited pubs, recommend pubs based off of ratings, and generating a bill of menu items purchased. And yeah, we can see, yeah, we have being able to recommend pubs, and this is our most important query because we are aiming at to see or to suggest pubs in localities to first timers and to individuals. And since case with A serves as a reservation and recommendation system, which has a feature, it has a reservation and recommendation feature for pubs. This is the most important query. Yeah, we also have the getting information on pubs where individuals can look up a pub, see their phone numbers and their addresses and the descriptions they have. We can also have the this is to generate the bill, so how much someone has actually paid at a pub in total. We also have the getting the reservations and the this also shows this query is to show the employee that attended a particular table. This is case with days. Thank you.